What is the 5S method for organizing your study area? Imagine walking into your study space and feeling instantly calm and ready to focus. That's the power of a well-organized study area. Today, I'll explain a simple system that can make your space more efficient and boost your productivity. The 5S method is a straightforward way to tidy up and keep your study environment in top shape. It's made up of 5 steps, each with a clear goal to help you stay organized. When you apply these steps, you'll find it easier to locate your materials, stay focused, and develop better study habits. First, you start with sorting. Go through everything in your study space and ask yourself what you really need. Remove old papers, broken supplies, or anything that doesn't belong. This clears out clutter and makes your space less distracting. Next is setting things in order. Arrange your study materials so they are easy to reach. Place your books, notebooks, and supplies where you use them most often. Group similar items together and label shelves or containers if needed. This way, you save time looking for things. The third step is shining. Clean your desk, wipe down surfaces, and organize cables or chargers. A tidy space feels more inviting and helps you stay focused. It's also a good chance to check for items that need fixing or replacing. The fourth step is standardizing. Create simple rules for keeping your study area neat. For example, always put your books back after studying or tidy up your desk at the end of each session. Make it a routine so your space stays organized. The last step is sustaining. Keep up with your system by regularly reviewing and tidying your study area. If clutter starts to build up again, repeat the sorting step and adjust your routines. Making organization a regular habit helps you stay productive and stress-free. Practical tips include using labels or color coding to quickly identify materials, storing less used items out of sight, and cleaning your desk before and after each study session. You can even make a checklist to remind yourself of your organization routine. By following the 5S method, your study space becomes a place that supports your learning, reduces stress, and helps you get more done each day.